Are you ready to look at the craziest wood-cutting machines and more? I'm sure it will be exciting and you will definitely like it. Let's take a look at an incredible wood-cutting machine. The first model in the spotlight is the CS52010, mounted on a TB2150R crane. This remarkable piece of engineering is designed for precision and power in forestry work, making it a game-changer for cutting and handling large trees. The Woodcracker CS52010 features a high-performance cutting blade capable of handling trunks with impressive efficiency. Paired with the TB1015R crane, this system offers unparalleled reach and maneuverability, allowing operators to work in challenging environments, whether it's dense forests or steep terrains. What sets this machine apart is its innovative gripping mechanism. The Greifer Sarge securely holds the tree in place before cutting, minimizing risks and ensuring a clean, controlled operation. This not only boosts safety, but also improves productivity by reducing downtime caused by handling errors. Ideal for logging, land clearing, and tree maintenance, this setup is as versatile as it is powerful. Watching it in action is a testament to how far technology has come in optimizing heavy machinery for tough jobs. It's not just a tool, it's a revolution in the forestry industry. Now let's take a look at a tractor designed to haul massive logs, showcasing its raw power and versatility. This isn't just about the tractor, it's a whole ensemble of machines capable of tackling the toughest jobs in forestry. The featured tractor is equipped with a robust hydraulic winch and reinforced towing mechanisms, making it perfect for dragging oversized logs across rugged terrain. Its heavy-duty tires provide exceptional grip, ensuring stability even on muddy or uneven surfaces. Watching it pull a colossal log is a sight to behold, a testament to the incredible engineering that goes into creating such machines. But it doesn't stop there. Alongside the tractor, we see other specialized equipment in action, such as forwarders and skidders. These machines are purpose-built to complement the tractor's capabilities, making the process of moving, loading, and transporting timber more efficient and streamlined. From powerful grappling arms to advanced load balancing systems, each machine plays a critical role in handling enormous logs with precision and ease. This impressive lineup highlights the synergy of modern forestry machinery, working together to conquer challenges that would have been nearly impossible a few decades ago. It's not just about brute strength, it's about smart engineering and teamwork, making these machines an essential part of today's timber industry. Let's move on to the next machine. This time it's not a tractor, but a lineup of vehicles designed to transport massive loads, including enormous logs. These heavy-duty transporters are built for one purpose: to handle the kinds of weight and dimensions that would leave standard vehicles in the dust. A standout machine in this category is the log carrier, a specialized truck equipped with a reinforced chassis and an extended flatbed or grapple system to secure and move oversized logs. These trucks are not only powerful but also incredibly stable, with advanced suspension systems designed to navigate uneven terrains without losing balance. But it's not just log carriers. There are also multi-axle trailers and articulated haulers that excel in transporting oversized cargo. These machines feature load balancing technology, and pivoting frames that make them surprisingly maneuverable, even when hauling loads that span tens of meters in length. It looks like we have another massive wood-cutting machine, but this time it's taking things to the next level by turning entire trees into wood chips. This beast of a machine isn't just cutting, it's shredding, pulverizing, and processing everything in its path with astonishing efficiency. Equipped with a powerful industrial-grade chipper, this machine can handle entire trunks, branches, and even roots. As the wood is fed into the machine, rotating blades and heavy-duty grinders break it down into uniform chips. The output is perfect for various applications, from biofuel production to landscaping and paper manufacturing. What's even more impressive is how streamlined the whole process is. Many of these machines are mounted on heavy-duty tracks or wheels, making them mobile and adaptable to different terrains. Whether it's deep in the forest or right on a work site, they can move to where the trees are, eliminating the need for additional transport. This particular machine also showcases a robust conveyor system which efficiently ejects the processed chips into waiting trucks or storage units. Watching it work is mesmerizing. Trees go in, and in moments, you have neat piles of wood chips ready for use. These machines are not just about power, they're about transforming how we utilize resources. By turning waste into something valuable, they're a critical part of sustainable forestry and industrial innovation. It's a fascinating combination of raw force and smart design. Now let's take a look at another fascinating wood-cutting machine. This one is a bit different. Doesn't completely cut down trees, but instead trims and shapes them, removing small pieces or sections to give the wood the desired form. This precision-focused machine is often equipped with advanced cutting tools like rotating blades, saws, or grinding wheels, designed to handle tasks that require accuracy and care. Instead of felling trees or shredding them into chips, it works on specific sections, whether it's trimming branches, debarking trunks, or even carving wood into specific shapes. What makes this machine so remarkable is its versatility. It's perfect for tasks like creating uniform logs for construction, preparing timber for furniture making, or even shaping decorative wood pieces. Operators can adjust its settings to achieve various cuts, angles, and finishes, making it a valuable tool for both industrial and artisan applications. Let's shift our attention to a true titan of the industrial world, the Big Rock Crusher machine. This powerhouse isn't just a machine, it's a marvel of engineering, designed to tackle the toughest materials nature can throw at it. The rock crusher is built to pulverize massive boulders and stones into smaller, manageable sizes, making it a crucial player in industries like mining, construction, and road building. Its sheer scale is jaw-dropping, often towering over its operators with a heavy-duty frame capable of withstanding immense pressure. At its core, the machine features powerful crushing jaws or rotating hammers depending on the model, which exert tremendous force on the rocks fed into it. Imagine feeding a boulder the size of a small car into this machine and watching as it's effortlessly reduced to gravel or dust in mere moments. The output is consistent, customizable, and ready for various applications, from laying foundations to creating asphalt. What makes the Big Rock Crusher truly impressive is its efficiency. Equipped with state-of-the-art hydraulic systems and automated controls, it operates with precision and minimal downtime. Many models even include conveyor belts that seamlessly transport the crushed material to storage or transport units, streamlining the entire process. Beyond its raw power, the crusher is a symbol of human ingenuity. It turns seemingly immovable obstacles into valuable resources, reshaping the landscape and powering development projects around the world. Whether it's preparing aggregate for skyscrapers or clearing land for highways, the Big Rock Crusher machine is a testament to industrial strength and innovation. Now let's take a closer look at a machine specifically designed for one of the toughest jobs in forestry and land management, the rootstock device for ground flush cutting and preparing rootstocks. This impressive piece of equipment is engineered to tackle stubborn roots and clear land efficiently, leaving the ground ready for new projects. This device excels in cutting rootstocks at ground level, using powerful rotating blades or saws to slice through even the densest and hardest roots with precision. It's built to handle roots of various sizes, ensuring a clean, flush cut that minimizes leftover debris and maximizes usability of the cleared area. One of its standout features is its ability to work close to the ground while maintaining high levels of safety and control. Equipped with hydraulic arms and advanced stabilization systems, the machine can adjust to uneven terrain and tough angles, making it versatile in different environments. The preparation doesn't end with cutting. The device also helps process rootstocks for easier removal or repurposing. This is particularly useful in forestry operations where rootstocks might be used for biomass or wood chips. By breaking down these challenging materials, the device not only clears land but also contributes to sustainable resource use. Its applications are vast, from clearing fields for agriculture to preparing construction sites and maintaining forested areas. Watching it in action is a reminder of just how advanced modern machinery has become, combining brute strength with precision to make light work of what was once a grueling manual task. It's a game changer for anyone needing efficient land preparation. Let's move on to a fascinating machine designed for a highly specialized task, cutting the tops off trees or trimming logs to size. This piece of equipment combines precision, power, and efficiency, making it an essential tool in forestry and timber industries. This machine operates with incredible accuracy, equipped with advanced cutting mechanisms such as high-speed rotating saws or hydraulic shears. Whether it's trimming the top of a tall tree or cutting logs to specific lengths, it performs the task effortlessly, saving time and reducing manual labor. The design allows it to clamp onto the tree or log securely, ensuring stability and a clean cut every time. What makes this machine particularly interesting is its versatility. It's not limited to forestry. It can also be used in sawmills and wood processing facilities to prepare timber for further use. It's equally effective in dense forests or open fields, adapting to different environments and tree sizes with ease. This top cutting machine is often mounted on a crane or an articulated arm, providing the flexibility to reach high altitudes or work at challenging angles. Some models even come with advanced sensors to measure the exact length of the cut, ensuring precise outcomes for every operation. Whoa, look at this. Now we've got something truly cutting edge. This machine is not just modern, it's next-level engineering. As far as I can tell, it's designed to both cut down trees and strip off unwanted branches simultaneously. Talk about efficiency. This futuristic beast is a game changer for forestry. Equipped with an advanced cutting head, it fells trees with pinpoint precision, but that's not all. It immediately processes the trunk, removing branches in a single fluid motion. The result? A perfectly prepared log, ready for transport or processing, all in a matter of seconds. The technology behind it is mind-blowing. High-powered hydraulics, Razor-sharp saws and automated controls work together seamlessly. Some models even have AI-assisted systems to optimize the cut and ensure minimal waste. The machine grabs the tree firmly, cuts it at the base, and then feeds the trunk through its debarking rollers, leaving behind a clean, branch-free log. And let's talk about its mobility. It's built to handle rugged terrains, whether in dense forests or steep slopes. Thanks to its all-terrain tracks and stabilized frame, this machine can maneuver through challenging landscapes like it's nothing.